fresh smell of money. Dude, what are you doing, man? Haven't you heard? I'm a big time YouTuber now. I'm making crazy money. No, you're not. Where did you even get all this money from? From Amazon. It was like 25 bucks. Dude, you obviously have no idea how YouTube works and how much money you're making. Why don't you just get up and let me try to explain this to the people?
Whatever,
I'm sure
man.
somebody
I'm
taking my money. Do whatever you want to do. Thank you. Sorry about that, guys. So you really want to know how much money I make as a small YouTuber? I'm going to tell you everything you need to know in this video. Coming right up. Take 2, take 3, take 10. And the last one, that lamp was moving, and that's where I'm going to cut and blend the two scenes, so I have to do it again. Take 5004. I think this was good. Let's do one more just to be safe. What's up, everybody? My name is Sean. Welcome to my tech channel. If you enjoy content like this, you want to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification so you won't miss my future videos. I get this question asked a lot from my friends, as well as the comments on my videos about my journey, about my equipment, about the money I'm making. I'm trying to tell you a little bit about some of what I've done in 2019, but primarily focus on my analytics and how much money I make from YouTube, specifically the 4 main stream of revenue I have. And as I'm going through some of this information and share this with you, I'm gonna tell you about my journey a little bit. First, let me start by saying this. It is really difficult, a lot more difficult than what an average person will think what it takes to make a YouTube video. The video you're watching right now, it's probably gonna be a 10-minute video. Obviously, I haven't edited it yet, but there's a good chance this can take me maybe about 10 hours. Thinking about the topic, the scripting, the research I have to do, the equipments I have to put together, the setup, the editing, making thumbnail for it, which that alone can take up to an hour, and then search engine optimization by writing keywords, key phrases, writing the description, making sure you have the right links. I'm new at this, so I'm not the most efficient person because I only do this part-time. I got a full-time job, and that's why I can only spend time to do maybe one video every week. So I started back in October 2nd, 2018. So I have been uploading videos for 1 year and 3 months. I originally started shooting just with my iPhone. I had no microphone, no lights, nothing. I started little by little. I literally bought a $10 tripod for my iPhone, and I started shooting some of these videos. And then as time went on, I started upgrading my equipment little by little. Next thing you know, I'm dedicating a section of my house to do my YouTube videos, do my wall. I'm doing commercials. I got sliders. I have a gimbal, and it's been an amazing journey. And I really want to be able to share this with you guys so you understand what it takes to be a YouTuber and how much money I'm making. The best way you can support your favorite YouTuber is when you watch their video, number 1, hit that like button. Number 2, comment. Those 2 things are early indication to YouTube algorithm that people like this video and they're engaging with this. Then the 3rd metric that YouTube will look for is the retention. So when you watch the video, how much of the video are you watching? So those are the 3 things you can do to support your favorite YouTuber. So December 31st, right now I have 1,373 subscribers, and I have gained 129 in the past 4 weeks. You can see I've had about 32,600 views in the past 28 days, and my revenue from Google AdSense, which I will talk about that in a little bit, is $133. So let's try to jump into analytics. So you can see on average I have about 1,000 views per day. I did have a small spike here. I got about a couple thousand views that one day, and again 2,000, and it came down to 1,500. Trying to paint a picture of what kind of channel I have. So on average I upload about 1 video every week, and on average every day I have about 1,000 views between all the videos I have uploaded in the past 1 year and 3 months. Now, I told you there are four main streams of revenue from YouTube. The first one is Google AdSense. Those are the ads that you will see in the beginning, sometimes middle, and at the end of each video. For every 1,000 views, you get about $10. They call that a CPM. Now, that is different for every channel, that is different for every niche, even for every video, based on so many factors, what the topic is, what region the video is being viewed or uploaded. So there's a lot that goes into this. But in my channel, if you look at this right now, for every 1,000 monetized playback, I get about $10.11, which means if I have a video that will do 1,000 views, I get $10. If it does 10,000 views, I get $100. If it get 100,000 views, I get $1,000. So if you look at my channel, in the past 4 weeks, I've had 32,600 views, but out of those 32,000, only 22,000 of them are monetized. As you can see, I've monetized about 3 months ago. So every month as I'm uploading more videos, the previous videos are continuing to get more views, and that's why you exponentially will see more money that you're making. So in October, I made $54. In November, I made $91. And in December, I made $137 so far, not counting today and yesterday yet. Now, the second source of revenue are the affiliated links. Affiliate links are the links that would tell a unique merchant such as Amazon that I have referred this person to your site to buy this product. So I create an affiliated account, let's say with Amazon, and when I post a product link to, let's say, this stand that I have on my iPhone case, if somebody clicks on it, Amazon will know that I have referred this person to buy or look at this product. Now, if you look at it, I don't make any money. If you buy it, I get a small percentage. You as a customer or consumer, you're not paying any more, but I get a small percentage. Now, it may be only 10 cents I'm getting from this product because it's really cheap, but it can add up. So I want to show you how much money I've been making on my affiliated links. I have several different ones, some for singular products, but the biggest affiliated link account I have obviously with Amazon, because you can buy everything there. You can see for this month from Amazon affiliated links, I have already made $248, and this by far is the strongest month I've ever had. I posted a video about common MacBook accessories that I really enjoy using, and that video, while it only had about 3,000-4,000 views so far, I have probably seen over maybe 80, 90, or 100 products have been already purchased from that one video. So as you can see from this chart, the red bar shows the number of clicks. So as you can see, on average, there are anywhere between 100 to 150 clicks every day. So all my videos combined and all the links I have, 150 of them on average are getting clicked every day. Now, if you look at the yellow line, those are the number of orders. So this day somebody ordered 4 items, 3 items, and some big days like this one, 15 items, 10 items, and 13 items, and most recently, I think it was yesterday, 20 items was purchased. So far, looking at my Amazon affiliate as well as Google AdSense, I've made, let's see, $245 plus 137, somebody do the math, so about $380 so far. The third source of revenue or sponsorship or free products I get. So if a company reaches out to me and they're trying to give me a free Wi-Fi router, obviously I'm getting a brand new router for free, but also sometimes they will pay for my time and the effort it will take to try to make this video. So while it's a fairly insignificant amount for these everyday products that I review, but those amounts will still add up. Now, for privacy reasons, I can go ahead and share those amounts with you, but I can tell you that in 2019, just from product reviews and the time that I had to spend, I made maybe between $1,000 or $1,500. And the fourth source of revenue are the actual client work or projects I get because of the YouTube channel I have. So in particular, I did 2 fairly large projects this year. One was a blender I reviewed, and the company really liked the quality and the production of my review, and they asked me to make a commercial for them for their Amazon store, and that video is on their site right now, and they paid me a decent amount to make that video. The other one was a security camera I reviewed, and again, they liked the production of that review, the intro I had, and they wanted me to make a commercial. That was a bigger budget project, and it took me about a month to make that video. So those obviously paid a good amount of money. So look, at the end of the day, YouTube is a lot of work. For anybody who thinks I want to start and be rich overnight or after a year, it just doesn't work that way. Doesn't matter how good you are, everybody will have to grind, everybody will have to be recognized, and it's gonna take time, it's gonna take patience. If I look at all the hours I've put in and the money I've made, I'm not even making minimum wage out of all this time that I'm putting in. But I do this because I absolutely love this. I love reviewing products, I love making videos, I love creating these content for you guys, I love the editing process, I love the setup process, I love scripting, I love everything about this process. And if you don't absolutely love it, if you're after this to make money, you better not do this, because it takes a lot of work, and if you don't love it, you're gonna burn yourself out. This community is growing rapidly. I cannot thank you enough for all your support and continuous feedback. Again, if you really want to support me, the best way you can support me, or any other YouTuber for that matter, is make sure when you watch their video, give it a like, comment, and watch as much of that video as you can. This is the best signal to YouTube that you're liking their video, and they're gonna look for those trends and then trying to push the video so more people can watch it. My goal is ultimately to improve by 1% in every video. And if I keep moving forward with that attitude and I listen to your feedback, and hopefully I engage with you guys, I try to respond to as many comments as possible, if not every single one of them, that's just gonna be the secret, right? We're gonna grow together as a community, and I cannot thank you enough. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.